I am a native Atlantan, born and raised here, graduated Frederick Douglass High School. Whoop, whoop. Got an ROTC scholarship and went to Morehouse College and went on and got my master's at Georgia State University. The reason I want to be on the board is because I love this school. We have been a part of this school since its inception. I see some of the parents here that were here the inaugural year, and we laid the foundation, we paid the dues, we fought the good fight, and I want to see the school to continue with the vision of excellence that we started with. Even though there are some educational professionals on the board now, I think that we need to think outside of the box and not be as rigid and stick with what we've done in the past in terms of education, because when you look at the Roland Friars and the Harlem Learning Zone that Dr. Sams modeled after, they thought outside of the box, and they did some things that traditional education didn't provide for young African American males who learn a different way. And so it's more than just the vision. We believe in the vision. We share the vision for these young African American males, but we need someone on the board who can understand from a parent perspective. I've coached on the football team. I know a lot of the parents. I understand the issues that the parents are speaking of in terms of the physical plant, the school itself. It boils down to the lunch that they're being served, having a learning environment in the classroom, and how they select teachers who are teaching our children, and just being in tune with that and having a voice on the board as a parent who's been here since the inception of the school, I think is very vital. It's very important. It's more important than that resume. I do have about 18 years of senior executive experience, and if you look on the last page, which I think is the most important, it's my community experience, and it shows that I've been dedicated to being involved in the community for a very long time. I've coached Little League, baseball and basketball, pastor at church. I was a PTA president, outgoing PTA president this year. I served on the board of the Fulton County Community Development Corporation, which was responsible for increasing the tax base in South Fulton. We're responsible for more than about 9 subdivisions, over 1,000 rooftops to increase the tax base in Fulton County. I served on the board of the Georgia Jail Association, in which I helped to improve the conditions of the jails in the state, where they won't just warehouse and train criminals how to be better criminals when they get out, but we can actually implement programs to have officers inside of the housing units, providing leadership examples to the inmates. So I was a part of that, and I also sit on the board of my wife's nonprofit, the Good Girls Club, where we mentor tween-age girls. And so I think there may be some more stuff from there that I've done in the community, but I think the most important part is that my heart is in this school, and I really want to see the school move forward and progress. I want to see improvements in all of the different areas, so that we can raise young leaders of tomorrow who look like you and I. And we won't just see them, on the football field or the baseball field or rapid, but we can see them in government. We can see them in non-traditional roles. We can see them as engineers and astronauts and leaders in the military, whatever.
Time's up.
And so,
Time's up.
So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.